The CZ Shadow 2 is quickly becoming one of my favorite pistols. Here are 3 reasons why I love the Shadow 2. The first reason to love the Shadow 2 is definitely its weight. It comes in at about 47 ounces, which is about double the standard polymer frame striker-fired pistol. Makes it extremely controllable, and all of that weight helps reduce felt recoil. The second reason to love the Shadow 2 is definitely its internal slide rails. With the slide rails being on the inside of the lower frame, it makes the reciprocating mass of the top slide a lot lower, leading to, once again, lower felt recoil. The third reason to love the Shadow 2 is the amazing trigger pull. With a very light trigger pull and a super short reset, this allows you to have a very easy trigger with fast follow-up shots. What are your thoughts on the Shadow 2? Let me know in the comments below and subscribe for more.